What's up, everybody? This is the 8 to 5 Trader giving you guys my trades for today. Today is June 21st, 2018. And today I ended up with a realized gain of 253. And at the commissions, which were 49.50, I had a net P&L of 198.53. I made, I think, 3 trades today. I'm going to go over what we did today. Today was a good day. Felt like I traded really well. But for starters, we traded HRTX. I decided to look for moving average trades today to try to get in at moving averages, and I saw HRTX was attempting to make a move to the downside at market open. After this 1 minute counter right here, I was looking to go short, thinking we could get that push down through VWAP. Problem is, I got not necessarily a late entry right here, but I went a little too big on my size, and I went short 200 shares right here at 39.50, and I ended up stopping out pretty quickly at 39.60. 200 shares, thinking we're gonna get that push up. If I could do this again, I would still take that trade, but I would only take 100 shares and probably potentially add another 100 on the way down. But we did get this push. As soon as I got out, this drop right here happened, and it would put me up about $100. But this trade, I got out thinking that possibility of squeezing, but should have took smaller share size. But still a good trade there. But I did come back later. I came back, I had the right mindset here. Took 100 shares to the short side, 39.10. On the way down, I added another 100 shares at 38.80. So this gave me a total of 200 shares, and I rode the momentum all the way down. The price action did get a little choppy around here, but my first target, not ultimate target, my first target was the 20 moving average here on the 5 minute, but the price action did push down below it. And after we came up, even though I didn't cover right here, the price action decided to bounce off of the non-moving average here. So I was thinking to myself, maybe we get a push even lower, but we pretty much held the 37 level right here. And so I ended up just holding my position. Eventually, I decided, okay, after this counter right here, I decided to go ahead and cover because I figured the price action would squeeze up, and that's exactly what happened. We did get this squeeze up, and it faded again, and it finally went up and made new highs for the day. Well, new highs at market open anyway. So that's HRTX. Then I came at DRI. I made a late entry on DRI. I was looking to go short here, but when I hit the hotkey to short, the spread was a little bit off. I think it was like 15 cents. I went short 50 shares here, and then I ended up getting filled down here. So basically, I just got a bad fill. And after the price action didn't sell off, I was looking to get back down here to the 200 moving average. Since we squeezed up and we started to come back down, I thought we'd get back down there. Just like on the 1 minute, on the 5 minute, I thought we'd get down there to the 50. We didn't get there. And I ended up covering, and luckily I did. Price action ended up squeezing out. So I was making really good stop out points today. I was making these pretty good entries, but when I did mess up and the trade didn't work in my favor, I went ahead and covered the position. Just thinking to myself, okay, if I need to get back in there, I can, and that's what I did on HRTX. Now Kroger was a good one. I went short. The price actually closed below VWAP. I saw this push down right here, but I waited. I was like, oh, okay, I might as well wait to see what happens at the close. And I want to say I waited for a pretty good entry here because I've seen this move happen where the price action is coming down with the 9 and the 21 minute here. Price action was squeeze up, so I waited till we got that squeeze up. When we came down, I shorted 100 shares because I was thinking to myself, maybe this upside right here, 100 shares is a lot better to hold through the squeeze versus 200. So after we did pull up a little bit and we came back down, after we started to go in my favor, I added another 100 shares at 28.87 versus wait, no, I had 300. I had 300 shares of that. 300. Oh wow, I had 300 shares of that. I didn't even realize it. I had 300 shares of Kroger. Wow. Okay, so I went short 300 shares, had 100 shares here, then I added another 200, and then I rode the momentum all the way down through the 20 moving average here. This was my target, but again, the price action blew straight through that, and I went ahead and covered because again, I didn't want the price action to bounce because I have seen this move happen where you think that the price action is going to hold right here, and then what ends up happening, it ends up closing like, let's see, I think IQ made the move I'm talking about. No, it wasn't IQ. What made that move? There's another price action today that basically made that move that I'm talking about. But anyway, price action, well, no, it ended up making this move, just not when I thought it did. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. I went ahead and covered because what I was thinking was the price action would probably close around here, and then what it would do, it would squeeze back up because this was already in a bullish trend to an extent. It went it's pushed down and then it squeezed back up. So this is what I was looking for happening, and that's exactly what it did. So that's why I went ahead and ultimately got out. So I could have held it for another 10 cents, but you know, possibility is I would have lost more on the squeeze. So that's my day. 198 net P&L. I did really well today. I cut my losses when I needed to. I realized when I was making mistakes and cut those, even though I did get that drop. I'm still glad I cut that to get in my right mindset that, you know, I need to take smaller share sizes when you know, I don't get the best entries, and then I can just add more versus just going all in and the price action pushing back up on me. Because on the Kroger, there's a good chance that I probably would have stopped out here first. If I had 200 shares, that's a good chance I probably would have stopped out thinking that, oh man, I'm going to get stopped out, and I probably to keep it from squeezing. But luckily when I took 100 shares, it gave me more room to breathe. And, you know, 100 shares here, I can go a little bit further and then just add on the way down versus just going all in. So yeah, that's my day. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you guys can keep up to date with my trades. I make a video like this every day, giving you guys my trades, and I will see you guys tomorrow.